You, don't you think what it is? No, no, it's not a Gundam. It's not a Gundam. Guess what it is? It's Frankenstein from the lady back then, and when the first monster movies came out. Frankenstein. It's a great model to build. You do have to use glue. It's not a snap model, but you know, it's okay. You can have a snap, I don't know, but it says 12 and up. 12 and up, 1 in 80 scale model. Turn it on the side here. If you can see that. It did come in a molded gray. Now I'm just going to show you the figure. Ta-da! There is the figure. I did a good paint job. Look at this. I just love it. All real grass. This is I made this from, if you buy the train stuff, this is what this comes with. Some grassy type thing and then some bushy thing. That's what I use. And then on the back that says Frankenstein, I used a regular gray paint for, like, it looks like marble. If you could tell, it's really nice. All the detail of the paint and everything, I just love this thing. I do have a Dracula one. I will show that off in my next video. But I love this thing. There's the back view. The all tears. I left the rope out because it doesn't really good with the rope. But just look at the face. It's just scary. And then it's like he wants to grab you or something. His boots. I did a great job on this. I got this at Kmart, and it was on sale. And I also got a Dracula, which is I'm going to show off, but it needs fixed because animals. That would be it of my review. Thank you. I want to say thanks to model 204 Toys. He wanted to know what our things are, what we did during the weekend. This was my weekend thing. It took over 2 days to build this thing, and then I glued it on the next day. If you have any comments, go ahead and tell me on my comment and chat on my channel. Prime 1986 1